The Young and the Restless comings and goings reveal Justin Gaston, Mel Ordway's husband, currently holding the role of Chance Chancellor. He came in when Danny got his COVID diagnosis. Another news is that Danny's positive result is from a routine test, not because he's ill. You might spot Justin, the new Prime Minister from The Young and the Restless from Days of Our Lives. He played Ben Weston on Days of Our Lives. Since then, Justin has made a number of films and appeared on The Haves and Have-Nots. So, The Young and the Restless comings and goings say we have a few weeks to go. There's new opportunity, and it will be Justin and Melissa marrying the detective and Abby, not the other actor. So, stay tuned for Mel's hubby as Chance Chancellor on The Young and the Restless. When will Donny Boaz return on The Young and the Restless? The actor who plays Chance Chancellor said last week that he is now back to work. So with about 4 weeks from The Young and the Restless recording to broadcast date, we should see Donny return as Chance in mid to late December. So he may not be there for the wedding, but he may be for the honeymoon. The good news is that the actor has had no cases with the virus and has returned to the set. So Donny Boaz's illness wasn't a big deal, it seemed. And even though the actors already have this disease, the chances on The Young and the Restless of having COVID won't happen because they don't have the virus on soap. So stay tuned to The Young and the Restless to see Justin Gaston disqualified, and that also means that we could have some real Chance-Abby love scenes because the couple can do love scenes on CBS dramas. Stay tuned and see if Chance Chancellor gets angry with his bride right after their wedding. The Young and the Restless came and went with fans asking where is Chance Chancellor on The Young and the Restless and Donny Boaz getting sick. Below is information about what happened to the actor who played Chance and who was playing him in the CBS soap opera. Chance Chancellor on The Young and the Restless. Where's Donny Boaz? You may have asked where's Chance on The Young and the Restless when you saw a strange face lately. Ray Rosales talks to a new guy who turns out to be Chance Chancellor. Obviously, there's an actor swap, but who is the guy, and why does he look familiar? The first thing to know in The Young and the Restless comings and goings is yes, Donny Boaz is sick. He confirmed it. Chances on The Young and the Restless have COVID, or at least actors do. He said that he had a positive result but didn't have any symptoms. However, that meant Donny had to get out. The Young and the Restless actor confirmed that he was quarantined and said that viewers won't see him a little bit as Chance Chancellor. So, that begs the question, who is playing Chance on The Young and the Restless now? Well, the answer is the actress playing Abby Newman's real-life husband.